I forgot a few details. Biboo! Biboo! Welcome! Benvenuti! Benvenuti a tutti! Ciao! Raora! How was the stream? I hope you had a good stream, and I hope you're gonna have a very nice rest now. Welcome, Pebbles! Welcome in! Hi! Hello! Hello! Hi! Hi! It was a really great stream, I believe. 12 hours? Oh my god! I love long streams. I love it so much. Yeah. When I'm gonna feel better and I'm going to get some proper rest, and I wanna stream a little bit longer too. Ciao, Biboo. I hope you're gonna have a good rest now. Please make sure to get some food, get some water, get some sleep. Wow, it's okay. She can call me Panty. I like it. It grew on me. It grew on me. I like Panty. I think Koyori senpai also called me Panty-chan, and I thought that was very, very cute. I thought that was very sweet. She can also call me Mama. It's fine as well. I don't mind. It's over. I see you guys clip everything, huh? Are you clipping this? Clip this nuts! Whoa! Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him.